Hi guys, it is Tanish and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another hair video, and I'm going to be doing my first roller set. I'm not a pro at this, so I don't advise you to do as I do unless it turns out cute, and I don't know if it's going to turn out cute or not. And remember, these are still starter locks for the most part. We'll see how it goes. My kids are in here, so excuse any noises that you guys may hear in the background. I believe these are called Flexirods. I don't remember. It's been so long. These are what I'm going to use. Lord knows I do not like sleeping with these in my hair, but I'm gonna tough through it tonight. And I'm gonna be setting my hair with my almond oil, and this is just plain old water with eucalyptus oil. This is my can in the background making all types of noises. I'm going to go ahead and get into it. Finish. Shh, Can't sleeping. So I'm gonna spin around real quick. You ready for your bath? So it's about 8 o'clock at night. These probably will not be dry by the morning, although I did not drench them. I just dampened them a bit, like made them moist. I'll probably take these out when they take a nap around 12:30-ish. So remember guys, I only use just a little bit of oil and a few squirts of water. This is just to get me through the next few days until I see my loctician. I will be seeing her in about 4 or 5 days. final results. I love it. This is how many I had in my head, so it was quite painful to sleep. And like I said, I had these in for 2 days. So I will do this style again as my retie starts to look old, but I'll do it about 2 weeks before my retie. You can see my grays coming in. I have a gray streak in the front, but I dye it and cover it. I feel so pretty with these curls. There's nothing like curls and a red lip. So I will come back tomorrow and show you guys how these curls are looking.